Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a classic, warm, and delicious dish, chicken corn soup. It's perfect to enjoy on a cold day or to boost your energy. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. First, prepare the following ingredients. Main ingredients: 500 grams of chicken, cut into pieces and cleaned, 1 cob of sweet corn, kernels removed, 1 egg, 2 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, 2 shallots, thinly sliced, 1 carrot, sliced, 1 stalk of spring onion, 1 stalk of celery, 1/2 tomato. Seasonings: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, mushroom stock powder. Other ingredients: 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 800 milliliters of water. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Beat the egg and dissolve cornstarch. Let's start by beating the egg. First, crack the egg into a bowl. Use a low speed to whisk the egg initially, then gradually increase the speed. Whisk side to side for more effective mixing. The result should look like this. Next, dissolve the cornstarch. Prepare 2 glasses with cornstarch and water. Add enough water into the glass containing the cornstarch. Stir until the cornstarch dissolves completely. Repeat the process several times for a smooth mixture. And here's the result. Step 3. Saute the spices. Start by adding a little oil to a pot. Heat the pot over medium heat for a few minutes. Once the oil is hot, add the prepared garlic and shallots. Stir them briefly. Then add the chicken and stir to coat it evenly with the spices. Continue stirring until the chicken turns white, which means it's cooked. Pour in the water and wait for it to boil. Once boiling, add the carrots and sweet corn. Let them cook until the vegetables are tender. While waiting, let me share some benefits of chicken corn soup. Chicken corn soup is made from chicken, corn, and other vegetables, making it a healthy and nutritious family dish. It has various health benefits, including maintaining heart health, aiding in weight loss, preventing diabetes, preventing anemia, preventing hypertension, supporting eye health, improving digestion, boosting immunity, enhancing nutritional status, meeting daily nutritional needs. Let's get back to the recipe. Once the vegetables are tender, pour in the beaten egg and stir until evenly mixed, allowing all the flavors to blend together. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Step 4. Serving. Our chicken corn soup is ready. Now it's time to serve. Pour the soup into a serving bowl. Sprinkle fried shallots on top for added aroma and flavor. If you like, add a squeeze of lime or sambal for a fresh and spicy kick. This chicken corn soup pairs perfectly with warm rice. Its savory, fresh, and comforting flavors are sure to please. Thank you for following this recipe. Don't forget to try it at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. See you in the next video and enjoy your homemade chicken corn soup.